In this video, we're going to show you how to install a cord on your washer. So now to install our new cord, the first thing I like to do is just to get the ground wire connected to the chassis. So what's the first connection we'll make? We'll just feed our harness through into the machine. And again, on your machine, it may be different where it mounts. It may be mounting here in the console, or maybe mounting in the back of the machine. Whichever way your cord goes into your machine, and whatever components you have to remove in order to get at it, those will be the steps you'll have to take. So we'll make our connection with the ground wire. Get the screw into it, put it into place on the chassis where it connects. Take our Phillips screwdriver and then just tighten down that screw. And make sure it's good and tight, because that is your ground connection to the entire chassis, so you want to make sure you've got a good connection there. Now we just need to connect the power and the neutral wire of the cord. In this machine, they're both in a connecting block and they reattach back to the noise suppressor. Your machine may be different, may not have that type of connection. It may be just two individual wires that are partnering up to their opposites, or else it may be in a block that's going on to your control board, or a harness that just clicks together the same way. Whichever way it connects, you'll just want to slip those into position, press it into place so it's a good tight connection. And now you'll just want to make sure your cord is put back into strain relief. And the whole purpose of the strain relief is so that if you ever pull on the cord, it doesn't yank out of the back of the machine. On this machine, it's just a matter of it sliding down into a block, and a couple of plastic fingers lock it into place. Yours may not have that set up. It may be that there's a grommet where it goes through the cabinet that you'll have to squeeze and snap into place. Or it may even be just a bit of a clamp with two screws that hold that cord that keep it from pulling out of the machine if it's tugged on. So once you got that done, and if yours is the type of the noise suppressor and it has a cover, you'll just need to insert that cover, snap it in on one side, like this one does. Secure it with a Phillips screw. Now on your machine, if it has a cover on it, it may be held with just two clips, or maybe a Robertson screw, or Torx. Whichever type of screw that you had to take out to remove it, use that one again. Now we're ready to install our console. And our console just basically, on this particular model, is very easy. It just has a set of fingers that go down into the top. Just line those up, rotate it downward, drops into place. A couple of screws to hold it. And your power cord is now installed.